welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if today is your first time watching, you're so welcome there. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I attain this look, how I transformed my face into attaining this look. Please do not forget to subscribe, share your thoughts and comment down below, and also if you like this video, give us a fat big thumbs up. So let's go straight into the video. To begin with, the first thing I'll be doing is to apply a face primer on my eyebrow. Next, I'm using a beauty blender to apply a bit of powder to my eyebrow, and this makes this area matte and ready for application. So the next thing I'm doing is to brush out my brow hair, and this helps to create a very nice shape base for my brows. Now I'm using a brow pencil to outline the outer half of my brows. Next, I'm using the brow pencil to fill out the areas between the two lines that I created. Now I'm using some concealers to clean the areas around my brows. This is going to make the brows look more defined, and also this is the time to adjust the shape and also erase some errors that I made. So for the upper part of my brows, I'm using my face foundation, and I use this because it blends more into my skin when I'm applying foundation, and also this is the time to define the eyebrow and also erase some errors. I'm using a Real Technique blending brush to blend in the excess concealer and also adding a bit of leftover concealer to my eyelid, and this is to prep my eyelid for eyeshadow application. Part of my brows, I'm adding benign setting powder, and this is to help set the area and make the area look very matte. To the bone brown areas of my brows, I'm adding a bronzer from this blush palette, and this helps to keep that area more highlighted. So for this look, guys, I'm using my blush palette as my eyeshadow palette. I do this sometimes if I want to achieve a very matte look. So to my crease, I'm adding my first transition color, and I'm just building that up and blending it in properly. I'm also using a darker blush as my second transition color, and I'm just blending everything in. using a flat shading brush to apply this shade of blush slash pretend eyeshadow to my eyelid. Now I'm using my multi-purpose brush to blend everything into my eyelid and also across my crease. Now I'm using this beautiful eyeliner from Tara Cosmetic and I'm just applying that into my eyelid. For my foundation today, I'm using MAC foundation and I'm using a I'm using a Real Technique brush to apply the foundation to my face. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to begin to highlight my under eyes, my forehead, my nose and my cheek. I am using the beauty blender to blend. As you're blending underneath your eyes, you want to make sure that you're going slightly on the side of your nose. And I'm going to set my face using a benign setting powder to all the highlighted areas. Along the bridge of my nose, I'm applying this contour powder from BH Cosmetic. And when it comes to contouring the nose, the closer you draw the contour lines, the thinner your nose will appear. Next, I'm contouring my face using this blush and I'm applying this blush in a very vertical manner. I'm also going to be applying this on my forehead. To set my face and make everything come together, I'm going to be using this fluffy brush, dipping it into my benign powder and I'm applying it all over my face, just dusting everything out and blending everything in properly. To make my whole face come together, I'm using this Melanin Mineral Press powder and this brush and I'm just applying everything all over my face. This just helps to make the face look more blended. To highlight, I'm using the MAC and also an Inglight highlight, and I'm just going to be building up the glow till I'm satisfied. that's it for today, guys. Please do not forget to like, share your thoughts and comment down below, and also please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.